Welcome to Sarasa Samutsaran School. This is Science Mataya M-1 and I am teacher Carla G. Circulado. Before we start our lesson, let's read our vocabulary words. So listen carefully as I read the first set of words. Absorb, absorb. Algae, algae. Creature, creature. Now repeat after me. Absorb, algae, creature. Very good. Now listen carefully as I read the second set of words. Chlorophyll, chlorophyll. Excess, excess. Heal, heal. Now repeat after me. Chlorophyll, excess, heal. Very good. Now listen again as I read the third and last sets of the words. Function, function. Germinate, germinate. Involve, involve. Now repeat after me. Function, germinate, involve. Very good. Now let's move on to our dictation, 3 words. So please bring one piece of paper if you have your notebooks with you and write activity number 2, the month and the date as follows. Let's begin. Number 1. Spell the word creature, creature. Number 2. Spell the word involve, involve. And number 3. Spell the word germinate, germinate. Now let's check your answers. Please bring out your red pen. If your answer is correct, please put 1. If your answer is incorrect, please copy the correct answer. Number 1. Creature. C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E. Creature. Number 2. Involve. I-N-V-O-L-V-E. Involve. And number 3. Germinate. G-E-R-M-I-N-A-T-E. Germinate. Very good. As we talk about on our first meeting, Unit 1, Plants, we will talk about this again and we'll review. So you can open your books on page 3. Repeat after me. Plants can make their own food. Very good. Repeat after me. Other creatures rely on plants as their primary source of food. Very good. As we talked about, unlike other organisms, plants can make their own food. They don't need to eat other plants, or they don't need to eat animals. Okay? And other creatures such as animals or us humans, we rely on plants because we eat plants like vegetables and also fruits. Next. We also talked about plants can live with the right amount of heat, not too much heat and not too much cold. Plants also needs light. It also needs air and of course water and nutrients. Nutrients can be natural, like also vegetables and also some fruits. Okay, and we can also use some fertilizers as well. Okay, repeat after me. Plants multiply and produce food for other living things. Very good. As we can see in the picture, other living things such as animals. Okay, they're eating some plants. Next. We also talked about imagining without a plant. Now repeat after me. Imagine the world without a plant. Very good. So if there is no plant, there will be less oxygen. Repeat after me. Less oxygen. Very good. If there is no plant, if there will be storm, the water will be flooding the community or the places. It will cause floods. Next, if there is no plant, the plants, the medicine used, or we get the medicine out of flowers and other plants. So without plants, there will be no medicine. And we also use plants to build, like this one, drawers. We can build beds and of course houses. So if there is no plant, no wood to build. And of course, no food for humans and animals. Next. We also talked about the parts of a plant. Now let's review again the parts of the plants. Okay, this one is called flower. Repeat after me. Flower. Very good. So this one right here is called leaf. Repeat after me. Leaf. Very good. And this one right here is called fruit. Repeat after me. Fruit. Very good. And this one is called stem. Repeat after me. Stem. Very good. And this one is called root. Repeat after me. Root. And this one is called the seed. Again, seed. Very good. So all of these parts, it says they work together to keep plants growing, reproducing, storing food, and nourishing the world. Next. And we also tackle the first part, which is the roots. Repeat after me. Roots hold firmly to the soil. Very good. So this is the roots. It holds firmly to the soil. That's why the plants can keep their position still, because the root is holding firmly to the soil. Next, repeat after me. Tap roots are good at anchoring. Very good. So this is the taproot, the thickest part of the roots. This one right here. So it says, taproots are good at anchoring. Just like in the boat, they use anchor to stop the boat. The plants has taproots to hold, or to hold strong, to keep the plants still. Okay, they are the anchor of the roots. Next. Fibrous root. Take a look at the picture of fibrous root. This is what you call fibrous root. It says fibrous roots are good at holding soil in place. So they are also good at holding soil in place. So they keep the soil in place. Next, we have the root hairs. As you can see in the picture, it says roots use the root hairs to take up water and minerals from soil and pass them to the stem. So it means the root hair is the one taking water and minerals for the food of the whole plants. Okay? Next, let's do some exercise. Now bring out your notebook or your piece of paper and write activity as follows. Okay, number 1. Fill in the blanks. Blank roots are good at anchoring. Number 1. Blank roots are good at anchoring. Number 2 and 3. Roots use the root blank to take up water and blank from the soil and pass them to the stem. 2 and 3. Roots use the root blank to take up water and blank from the soil and pass them to the stem. Four and 5. Blank roots are good at holding blank in place. Blank roots are good at holding blank in place. Okay, let's do the summary. We talk about plants that can make their own food. They don't need to eat other plants or animals, but they can make their own food. And we also talk about plants. They need enough heat, light, air, water, and nutrients. And we also imagine the world without a plant, which has many negative effects to us. There will be floods. There will be less oxygen, no medicine, especially no food for humans and animals. We talked about the parts of the plants as well. And we tackled the first part, which is the roots. So on our next meeting, we will discuss the second part of the plants. Thank you so much, students. Don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, eat healthy foods, take your vitamins, See you soon. Goodbye.